The single biggest expense of learning to drive are the lessons themselves, so you want to make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck. In practice, this means you need to turn up in the zone and stay there. In this video, we'll cover some practical ways you can do this, plus what you can do after your lessons to make sure you're maximising your learning. It all starts the night before. Your lesson is wasted if you turn up tired, hungover, hungry, hangry, or distracted in any way. So first things first is get rested and fueled. Don't force yourself to eat if you don't normally eat big meals, but having something before a lesson is usually a good idea, and definitely make sure you're well hydrated. What you want to avoid is getting hungry or thirsty towards the end of your lesson and losing concentration. Generally speaking, 90 minutes to 2 hours is a good lesson length. The longer lesson gives you time to warm up and find your rhythm. It's also a good idea to batch book lessons as you want to keep your momentum as you learn. Stopping for a few weeks can really set you back. Check with your instructor what you'll be covering in the lesson, so you can read up on it and be ready to go right away when the lesson begins. Also, don't be afraid to speak up during the lesson and ask lots of questions. There's no shame in not knowing or not understanding. Most of all, driving is about practice, not just all the maneuvers and the controls, but also the different types of driving conditions. So make sure you book lessons at different times of day, so you get experience in the dark or the rain. This can greatly boost your learning. You can take this further and practice what you've learned in your lessons with your parents. This is a great way to develop your skills and build muscle memory. You'll need the right insurance, but it'll be cheaper than extra lessons. Be patient and don't be too harsh on yourself if you feel as though you're not progressing quickly enough. The early days of driving, which really includes all your lessons, are the hardest. There's a huge amount to learn, but you should find that one day things will just click.